Case study number 4, geolocating codes on an Edmonton city map. You have been asked to graphically show the number of graffiti complaints we have received by neighborhood for all of 2021 on an Edmonton city map. To accomplish this, we will require the service ticket data source and the neighborhood boundaries data source. As always, start by creating a new workbook and then connect to the neighborhood boundaries 2019 data source. Don't use the other one because that does not have the new neighborhoods that were annexed. Drag the geometry into the main canvas. This will immediately create a filled map of the city of Edmonton. To break this into individual neighborhoods, simply drag the word name onto the details. And you'll notice that they're all separated. We'll need to have a measure ready to link to the service ticket data source. Right-click on the name, measure, and select rename. Then enter neighborhood, spelled correctly, so that it can automatically link to the service ticket data source. Click OK. Now we'll add the service ticket data source by clicking on the cylinder and again choosing OCDH Hubba Service Tickets 311VW and hitting connect. Once I've done that, you'll notice that if I scroll down to neighborhood, it'll automatically be linked for us. Let's build the report. Let's drag date created onto the filters pane and select year and select 2021. Hit OK. Next, using the category 2, we're going to drag category 2 into the filters and select graffiti. And again, hitting OK. You'll notice that the map has changed now because many of these neighborhoods don't have graffiti reported in them in 2021. As good as this looks, an all blue map doesn't really mean a whole lot to everybody. So let's color code the neighborhoods. If we scroll down to the very bottom and we grab our number of records again and we drag it onto color, it'll apply a kind of like a heat map. But we don't really like the teal color, so let's click on the word color. We'll hit edit colors. We'll change automatic, and if we scroll right down, we get the temperature diverging. So let's choose that one. As soon as I've done that, it has changed in the background. I can simply close this window and click out. Let's add a numerical label to each of these. Drag the number of records onto the label card. Now this looks okay, but the text is a little bit large. So if we click on text and go edit label, select everything that's in the box and simply change the font size to size 8. And then hit OK. It's a little easier to read. The map by default does not show the roads layer. So if we click the Maps menu and we go to Map Layers, we can change the style from light to streets. And then we can uncheck the word neighborhoods so that it doesn't show the word neighborhood as we get that on the hover over. Now we can change the name of the sheet. So we'll double click in the sheet row, type the name of the sheet, press enter, and we just simply need to save it.